Welcome to Prodigrow, where we explore the science behind human potential. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of creativity and the human brain. Whether you're an artist, writer, musician, or just someone who wants to tap into their full potential, understanding the science behind creativity can help you generate new and innovative ideas. Creativity is not just for artists, writers, or musicians. In fact, every human being has the capacity to be creative, and it's an essential part of our cognitive software that makes us unique among all the other species on Earth. So, what is it that makes the human brain capable of generating so many innovative ideas? According to neuroscientist David Eagleman, the key difference between the human brain and other animals' brains is that the human cortex has a lot more space between input and output. This means that our brains can process information, percolate around, and get thought about before making an output. It is like a food processor that is constantly spitting out new ideas. However, creativity involves the interaction of multiple brain networks. Psychologist Scott Barry Kaufman debunked the myth that creativity is solely a function of the right side of the brain. Instead, creativity relies on different brain networks that involve both the left and right sides of the brain. In particular, there are three essential brain networks that creativity draws upon: the executive attention network, the default mode network, or the imagination network, and the salience brain network. The executive attention network allows us to integrate lots of information in our head at one time, hold stuff in our working memory, and maintain strategies that we are currently working on. It is also helpful for inhibiting the obvious responses or the first things that come to our mind, as creative ideas require accessing remote associations. The default mode network, or the imagination network, is highly active every time we turn our focus of attention inward, such as when we daydream, focus on future goals, or take the perspective of someone else. It is essential for having compassion for others because it allows us to imagine what someone else is thinking or feeling. Lastly, the salience brain network is associated with what is most salient in our environment, what is most interesting to us. Before we consciously think about a creative activity or activate our imagination, there is a subconscious process where the salience brain network tags things as interesting or not interesting in our environment. It feeds it to either the imagination network or the executive attention network to pay attention to. Creativity involves the interaction of all three brain networks, and it is when we are captivated by the moment, imaginative, and motivated to engage in the creative activity. With practice, we can all develop our creativity and make use of our full potential. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of the science behind creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Prodigrow for more content on unlocking human potential.